Let's take a look at working with macros in our View Builder 7 project. There may be times when you need to perform mass edits throughout your project, and now there's a new feature that will allow you to do this quickly called the Macros tool. Currently, there are several pre-built macros called stock macros included in View Builder 7 that can be run to perform such operations as copying selections, removing all cursors, setting global reading speed rules, and more. If you look in the stock macros and don't see one that you can use, but you do need one to do a mass edit, please feel free to contact support and we'll work with you to get a macro for you to use. Now, in this particular example, we'll just show you how easy it is to run one of these stock macros. In this demonstration, we're going to go ahead, and this is something that you may find yourself doing as well. We're going to copy an image and have it copied across all of the slides in our project. Now this can come in handy if, for example, you have a logo that you want to go ahead and add to all of the slides in your project. Now this particular slide or project only has 8 slides, so we could actually, do a copy paste for each slide. But if your particular project has 50, 100, 150 slides, a macro would be a much more efficient way of doing this. So we've selected the image, and then we go up to Edit, Load Macro. In the Load Macro window, here are all the currently installed stock macros. And we can go ahead and just read the macro itself to determine what its operation is. Now in this case, we want to go ahead and have it copy the selection, which is this down here, this image, to all of our slides. So let's go ahead and select it. We click Open. Now we will get prompted to run the macro. So at this point, if we decided we don't want to run the macro, we can select no, but we're going to go ahead and click yes. And it's as easy as letting View Builder run the operation, and it's already finished. As you can see, our thumbnails updated. And in this case, if we go from slide 2 to slide 3, you notice that it copied the selection in the exact same position on all of the slides. And then since the macro is already completed, I can actually go to my first slide, and in this case I can remove this one here because I don't necessarily want the image on the first slide in this example. So that's all there is to it. Again, if you want to do a mass edit in your project but don't see a stock macro that will serve your purpose, please contact us at support@qarbon.com. Or if you have any other questions on this topic, please feel free to contact us or visit us online at qarbon.com. That's QARBON.com. Again, that's qarbon.com. Happy viewleting.